Hello friends, today I want to talk to you today about Ted's woodworking plans. If you're one of those people who enjoys building woodworking crafts, projects and some basic carpentry skills, this website will interest you in the same way that it did me. The site is Ted's Woodworking and it was the best that I have ever seen. There are over 16,000 woodworking plans which you can download instantly. You will not be disappointed with this one, as I have tried some of the others and they were lacking in the instructions which they gave and were hard to understand. I wanted to try my hand at making some bunk beds for my 2 kids, so I came across this website and decided to give it a try. The advertisement that I found gave me the website for Ted's Woodworking, so when my curiosity got the better of me, I clicked on to see what it was all about. Ted McGraw was the originator of this site and is a professional woodworker, so he knows what he is talking about. There were so many woodworking plans with this collection, and you will not believe this, but there are over 16,000 plans in the one package deal. This is really something to find that many altogether. For someone like me who is just really starting to get involved with woodworking, this was like letting me loose in a candy store and telling me I could have anything I wanted. That was my dream when I was a kid. Well, I was very skeptical, as there are all kinds of websites for the exact same thing and you have to be careful, and I was wondering how one person could possibly get that many plans and woodworking blueprints put together, but Ted did it. I decided to buy it and was not at all disappointed, as the pages were done in full color and they were laid out and very detailed, which made it easy to follow. I really found it hard to put down and do some other things when I got it, as it is so interesting. It gave me new ideas for summer projects. I figured that with an unconditional money back guarantee that I was given, and after a period of 60 days that I had nothing to lose. All I had to do, if it was not what I was looking for, would be to send it back and get my money back. You cannot get any better deal than that. When I got access to the download area, I was pleasantly surprised with the layout and organization of the plans. With 16,000 plans, you would expect it to be disorganized somewhat. However, I found it pretty easy to locate the exact project I want. In all honesty, I do not know how he does it for that price, all those plans. It must have taken him a long time to put all that together, but am I ever glad he did. Thanks, Ted. If you would like to take a closer look at this product, follow the link in the description below this video.